So did everyone get to look at the exam review?
Yeah, but I think I got half of them wrong.
It's already freaking me out.
Yeah.
I'm like, I swear.
Yeah, I do not feel confident about it at all.
Mm-mm. I think the last half I did better on than the first half.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, true.
I don't think I did better on any of it. Because I would think that I was getting it, and then I'd get some super weird p-value or something, and I'm like, this whole thing's wrong. And I don't even know where it's wrong. So,
Yeah.
that's fun.
Is this the exam we're supposed to turn in the extra credit with, or is it the next exam?
It's the next one.
The next one?
I think so, yeah.
I thought there were only 3. This last one, I was really surprised by this exam. I thought there was only 3. That's not fair.
Yeah, he like never said anything about an exam coming up. I think we were all really surprised to see it
Yeah.
in the due folder. But at least that's all we have this week, you know. We're pretty much done after Wednesday for the week.
Yeah, that's nice.
Did everyone get their M&Ms counted?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I had to hide them. My kids were like, "What are all these M&Ms for?" It's like a huge bag.
I had to hide them from myself.
Yeah.
True.
All right, so I guess we'll just jump into the exam review. I don't know if I got any of these right.
Okay, yeah, on these questions, do you guys have any idea how to decipher what test would go with what?
He gave this little handout, and it says statistical flowchart not filled, and it's like it's almost helpful, but not really.
Great.
Did you guys look at that at all?
No.
Was that for this week?
Yeah, it was under, I think, individual preparation, like at the bottom, or maybe it was group meeting at the bottom.
Okay.
Well, I noticed that the chapter wasn't anything. It was all questions. It didn't have any of the answers, which is not helpful to me if I can't figure out how they did it.
I agree, me too.
Yeah.
Oh, this flow chart. No, this doesn't make sense to me.
Yeah. Because at first I thought that's what it was doing, was outlining, you know, how we could differentiate the different tests, and then I thought, no, I don't really understand it. So, well, that's fun.
Did you see his email that he's going to do a Google Hangout tomorrow?
Oh, he is?
Yeah. I think I'm going to have to go. Maybe we can ask him about all these, because I don't really understand. Like for number 2, I put the chi-squared test of independence, but I really have no idea if it's right.
Yeah, no, that's what I was leaning towards, but I didn't know if it was right either. I don't know how to tell if any of these are right, and I think that's our biggest problem.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because there's no, like, checking.
Well, there's no numbers, too. Sometimes when you have numbers, you can plug it in, and then you can kind of figure out which one to use. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, there's some numbers, but I don't know. Well, I put G for number 3, just because it said proportion somewhere, I thought.
Yeah. I think that makes sense. So then number 4, I think, is G.
You think it's what? G?
G, because it's talking about 2 proportions.
Yeah, that's what I put, but I don't know if it's right.
Wait, but how would you put that in? If you actually had to work it.
What was that?
How would you put it in if you actually had to work it out? Because if it's, you would need the x1, x2, n1, and n2.
Yeah.
Sorry, that's my cat.
I thought it was only a 1 proportion.
See, that's what I was thinking, because there's an x and an n available, but there's not a second set of x and n.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But it says that you want to determine if this proportion is different than this proportion. Can that still be a 1 proportion test?
I don't know.
Hmm.
But I think you're... sorry, there's a crazy echo.
I
It's like I don't want to talk because it echoes too much. I don't know.
Hmm.
Would number 5 be paired samples t-test, do you think? What did you guys put for it?
Yeah, I think it's paired samples because it's the same students trying each block. For number 6, I put C, the paired samples.
Yeah, I think that's right.
Yeah.
What did you guys get for 7? I don't even.
I put C, but I don't think that's right.
I put A.
I think paired could be right because that gives you the differences. One sample Z.
But I think for the paired, one has to affect the other. Like a brother and a sister, or something like that.
Yeah.
So maybe it's D? I have no idea.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Well, you guys for that one?
I think we all just put our own thing. Do you think number 8 would be F?
I put that.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, let's move on from that. And then for number 9, I got the third one.
I put the first one.
The first one. This is one of the questions that have been in other tests, and I think that this is the answer I'll look at.
Let me show you where I got my answer.
Okay.
Where is it? Somewhere over here. So if you go to the textbook at lesson 9,
Yeah.
and then hit level of significance, it's 4.4. It says, in other words, the level of significance is the probability of committing a type 1 error.
Okay.
Or 4.5.
Sounds good.
And then for number 10, I put the second one.
Me too.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, good. And for number 11, I put the last one. Did anyone else get that?
I put the second one, but I think I wasn't sure about this one.
I wasn't sure about it.
I think you're right. I think it is the last one.
Let me try to find.
So I remember looking at other tests, and it had something similar.
Yeah, because it's not sample mean, it's true mean. I think that's why it's throwing us off. And then for number 12, I got the last one, 0.30.
Me too.
That's what I put.
What did you guys do for the standard deviation? Did you plug it in somewhere, or did you just use a formula?
What did I do?
I think I plugged it in, but I wrote a formula down, so maybe I did the formula.
Oh yeah, I plugged it into a formula.
What form?
Oh yeah,
I used the one on lesson 16, where it's the p times 1 minus p over n, and then the square root of that.
Okay.
Did you get the 0.046?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Did anyone know how to do number 14?
I'm confused on this one.
Yeah.
I put the first one.
How'd you get
I plugged it into something though. This is the problem with these really long tests, is that I replace my information, so I don't save it in Excel.
Well, what did you guys do for number 13?
The second one.
Okay, I'm doing something wrong. It did 0.30 and then in parentheses 1 minus 0.30 over 100.
Wait, which number are we on?
I'm still trying to figure out how we got number 14. I can't even find a formula for it. Can anyone else?
Just a question on 13. I squared it and it worked when I squared it. So are you guys squaring it at the end?
Wait, say that again. Sorry.
On 13, do you square it at the end?
It's a square root.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, I can't figure out how I got number 14. I'm pretty sure I plugged it in, and it finally got an answer that matched one of the answers there. I can't remember how I did it, though.
Okay. Well, we'll just skip it for now, I guess. For number 15, I got the third one.
Me too.
Okay, good. And for number 16, I got the second one.
That's what I thought.
And for number 17, I got the last one.
I got that one too.
Yeah.
And then for 18, I got the last one.
Yeah.
And for 19, I got no, I failed to reject HO.
Oh yeah, me too.
Yeah.
For number 20, I got the first one.
Me too.
And for 21, I got the third one.
Okay, I didn't know if we. Oh wait, hold on. I got the last one, but let me just make sure I did that right.
Okay, I think I got the last one on 21.
No, for 20.
Oh, for 20, I got the first one.
Oh, okay. And then for 21, I got the third one. What did you say you got the last one?
Yeah, I got the last one.
How did we all get the same test statistic and a different p-value?
You guys Z-test, right, for 20?
You need to change the greater than or less than, because that affects the p-value.
Let's see, which one was this? This was the chi-square. Okay, hold on.
Because it comes out to be 0.0866. Maybe just put the wrong one. I don't know.
Hold on. Oh my gosh, you're totally right. I did just put the wrong one. My bad.
Because I almost did that the first time too.
Yeah, I just read it wrong. Thank you.
Yeah.
And then for 22, I got the second to last one. No, the p-value is greater than 0.5.
That's what I put.
Yeah, me too.
And then for 23, I got the third one.
Yep.
That's what I put.
And then 24 is where I got stuck again. I, for some reason, could not get any of these intervals, no matter what I did. What were you guys plugging it into?
See, that's what confuses me when there's the extra margin of error 2%. I don't know what to do with it.
Oh, I plugged it into the one sample z-test. That's what I did.
20. One sample z-test. So where you just did x and n?
Yeah.
So n would be 200. And then what did you use for x?
I put 50.
Wait, one sample B as in Tom or B as in zebra?
Zebra.
Sorry. Okay, why did I that? What lesson is that in the Excel sheet for that? Because I have the Excel sheet that has the one sample, pooled sample, another sample, but I don't have the z-test.
So then did you get the third one, Bethany?
Yeah, I got the third one.
That's what I got too.
And then for 25, did you guys get n equals 16?
I put n is greater than 30.
Is this one just
formula did you use for this?
For number 25, I used the n equals z with a star over it, over m, and then squared, and then p with the little star over it, in parentheses 1 minus p with the star over it. And I got 15.68, which I would just round to 16. So that's why I thought, because n is greater than 30 made sense to me, but then I thought, why would they give us the point estimator if they didn't want us to solve it? So then I was just super confused.
That's a good point. Where did you find that formula?
Let me find it really quick.
I think that's in 16.
What was that?
I think it's in 16. I have it on under that. So for that test, you can actually have an Excel sheet for it.
For which number?
I think you guys used it on 24.
Oh, so the formula for that you were looking for is on lesson 17, and it's part 3.
Awesome, thanks. And then Liz, it's the one sample z-test for a proportion.
Is that in one of the how he gives us all the Excel tests? Is it in one of them?
Yeah. It's the categorical data analysis.
Okay. That makes sense.
Is everyone working on 25 or?
I keep getting like a huge number when I work that out.
Really?
What am I doing wrong?
Oh! You know what? I did it wrong. Hold on. I totally did it wrong. Let me... Oh, geez. Hold on. Every time. I always forget one step.
So do we use 1.96 for z?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm confused. So what's considered P and what's considered M?
M is 0.02 and Z is 1.96.
And then the P is 0.
Yeah. So now I'm getting N equals 1537.
N equals 76.882. That's weird.
I don't know.
Is anyone else getting 1537, or is that just me?
Let me do it again.
Mine looks like 1.96 over 0.02 squared times 0.2 in parentheses 1 minus 0.2.
Whoa. Now I got 7,683. Okay, so you put 196 over 0.02 squared times, oh, that's where I got wrong. Hold on a second. Now I got 1537, which is one of the answers.
Okay. At least there's two of us.
What am I?
Okay, I got 1537.
On that first question, your final answer after squaring it, you're 0.79?
Sorry, I didn't understand you.
The first part of the question, after squared, are you getting 0.1979?
I'm just doing it as one long thing, so I'm not actually getting different answers as I go.
Okay, I did it again. 1537.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting 1537 too.
And for 26, did you guys get the third one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And for 27, did you get the third one?
Yep.
Yes.
What formula did you plug this one into? Oh no, we already decided it was the 1Z, right? 1 sample Z.
28?
Yeah. Was that right, or was that something else?
No, I think that was the 1 sample Z.
I don't know what equation or like what data are we using for number 28?
We're using the data from question 24.
Okay.
Which means that it should still be what we worked on previously, but none of my answers match.
I got the first one, 1.768.
And you're plugging it into the one sample z-test for a proportion?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Wait. Where it says null hypothesis, what do you have there?
I put 0.20.
Okay, I got the first one too.
Are you keeping 200 X?
Yeah. Well,
What
for N.
What are you putting for N?
N is 200 and X is 50.
Okay.
And then for 29, I got the second one.
Yeah.
So then that makes it less than. So would it be the first one for number 30?
Yes. I think so.
Yeah, that's what I put.
I'm sorry, you said you guys got number 1 on 28, right?
On 28, yeah, the first one.
Okay, I just finished it.
Oh. And then 29 is the second one, and 30 is the first one.
Okay.
And then I don't know if I got 31 right or not. For the lower, I got 0.282, and for the upper, I got 0.293.
That's what I got.
Me too.
Okay. And then for the DF, I got 99.
Yep.
And for the test statistic, it's like a super weird one. Negative 3,683.938.
I got negative 2.803.
That makes more sense.
Yeah, I got the negative too.
So are you guys doing the one sample t-test?
I don't know. I should write this down as I'm writing this out of my
That's what I'm
notebook.
trying to do.
Then I have to read through it again.
Oh wait, hold on a second.
Yeah, I use the one sample t-test for this.
You get negative 2.803.
Yeah.
Okay. Figured out what I did wrong. That makes a lot more sense. And then for the p-value, I got 0.997.
I got 0.006.
Yeah, so did I. 0.006.
What type of test are you doing? Greater than or different than? I mean, not equal.
Not equal to.
Yeah.
0.007. Is that what you got? Or wait. 0.006?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then
Just a question, sorry. On number 31, what are you putting as the null hypothesis?
0.295.
Okay, that's what I thought. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what messed me up. I didn't change it the first time. Less than, so we reject it. So did you guys get the last one for 34?
That's what I put.
Okay.
Oh, I put the third one. So we, hold on.
We're rejecting, and rejecting is sufficient.
Aren't we failing to reject? Hold on, let me check my note.
Yeah, we are.
So if we fail to reject, then
When we have
it's
sufficient,
insufficient.
say that it's different.
I
Right?
thought if it was, hold on. If it's, let's see. I have to check my notes every time because I can't remember. If p-value is greater, then we fail to reject, and if we fail to reject, then it's insufficient.
But the p-value is less than, isn't it?
Well, it's 0. Oh, you're right, because there's an extra 0. Yep, you're right. I was looking at 0.6 instead of 0.06. You're right.
Okay.
It's just more needles and strips. Sorry, it'll be a second. And then, what did you? I feel like I did this one wrong. What did you guys plug this into for 35?
It was one of the older worksheets. It was the, hold on, let me see.
I found the data for it, but I put it into the paired samples test, and I don't know if that was right.
Yeah, that's what I put in the paired samples t-test because it wants the difference.
Yeah.
That's what I did.
Okay.
I wasn't sure.
So what did you get for 35? Let me see this.
I got 8.728 is the lower and 10.455 is the upper.
Okay, that's what I got. And then for the t-value, did you get 22.446?
Yeah.
Okay. And then for df, I got 40.
Yep.
But then my p-value was like super off. It's one of those things with the e at the end and then negative 24.
Yeah. I don't really know how, so I put 1.340. Last time I answered, like Liz, I think it was, texted that question where it had the t, the df, and the p-value with the squiggly lines like that.
Mm-hmm.
And I got the t and the df right, but I got the p-value wrong. So I'm not sure if we're supposed to actually type it in as the e with, I mean, it doesn't say.
Well, because the teacher had said, and this is what confused me, he said the p-value will always be between 0 and 1, so if you're getting something above or below that, then you're wrong. And so I'm like, oh, what? Then what the heck is the answer?
Oh.
Yeah, I remember him saying that.
Then I have no idea.
Yeah.
Sorry, just a quick question on 31. What did you guys get for that? I'm trying to do them all slow so I understand how to do it.
0.282 is the lower, and 0.293 is the upper.
So then I think I'm going to save 38 and 39 for asking him on Tuesday or tomorrow.
And I hope he'll answer it. I'm going to be mad if he doesn't answer the questions we need from this homework. Come on.
Yeah.
It's not like we're not preparing. We're not just cheating. We've tried and we can't figure it out, so we need help.
Exactly.
Because I can't always understand when he just explains, well, this is why you do this and this. No, I need you to apply it to this question and let me know what the answer is so I can actually learn how to do it.
No, definitely.
But so then I guess, yeah, we don't know 39 because we don't know what P is for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I'm
So
just
we'll
gonna
just save it.
Save it.
Yeah.
Cool.
And what time do you guys want to meet next Monday? I can do any time.
Yeah, anytime should be fine for me as well.
This time was good that we did this time.
Yeah, that's fine.
11:45.
Yeah.
Sorry.
All right. Well, then I'll see you guys tomorrow night and next Monday.
All right.
Awesome.
Alright.
Yeah.
See you later.
guys.